Hello everyone, the video today is about 5 things you probably did not know about seaweed. 1. Seaweed is not just a marine plant, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. One surprising fact is that some seaweeds contain more calcium than milk, making them an excellent choice for those looking to boost their bone health naturally. The diversity of nutrients found in seaweed extends far beyond what meets the eye, making it a versatile and valuable food source. 2. Did you know that seaweed has a significant role in carbon capture? It's not just an underwater spectacle. It actively contributes to mitigating climate change. Seaweeds absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, helping to reduce the levels of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Some researchers even propose large-scale seaweed farming as a means to combat climate change by sequestering carbon. The humble seaweed, often overlooked, is playing a vital role in our planet's ecological balance. 3. Seaweed holds incredible potential in sustainable packaging. As the world grapples with plastic pollution, scientists are exploring seaweed-based materials as an eco-friendly alternative. Alginate, a compound found in seaweed, can be used to create biodegradable packaging with impressive barrier properties. This means that not only is seaweed beneficial for our health, but it could also be a game changer in reducing the environmental impact of packaging materials. 4. Ancient cultures recognized the medicinal properties of seaweed, and modern science is catching up. Some species of seaweed contain compounds with anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. These bioactive compounds make seaweed a potential source for developing new pharmaceuticals and health supplements. From wound healing to immune system support, the therapeutic potential of seaweed is a fascinating area of exploration in the field of medical research. 5. Seaweed farming can contribute to marine habitat restoration and biodiversity. Unlike traditional agriculture, seaweed cultivation doesn't require freshwater, fertilizers, or pesticides. Additionally, seaweed acts as a habitat for various marine species, providing refuge and food. By promoting sustainable seaweed farming practices, we not only benefit from its various uses but also contribute to the overall health of marine ecosystems. It's a win-win for both humans and the environment. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you next time.